Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about 5 key factors you need to look for when choosing an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable if you go about it in the right way, and picking the right affiliate program can make or break your chances of success. As an affiliate marketer, one of your jobs is to find a good company that has an affiliate program you can join so you can promote their products and hopefully earn commissions. An example of a company that has an affiliate program is Amazon. The problem with some of these big companies is that they don't usually pay very high commissions. You see, not all affiliate programs are the same, and choosing the right affiliate program is crucial if you want to be profitable. In today's video, I'll talk about 5 key factors you should look for when choosing an affiliate program. But very quickly, before we move on to that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and also the subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There'll be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. 5 key factors you need to look for when choosing an affiliate program. First of all, does the product you're looking to promote provide value? And is it a product people will actually want to buy? After all, you don't want to promote a low quality product that will be difficult to sell and also that will result in a lot of refunds. The second factor is the actual margins. Is there enough margin for you to actually make a profit without having to sell literally hundreds of whatever it is you are promoting every month? The third factor is tracking. Does the affiliate company you're looking to partner with provide adequate tracking links, and how long are those links actually good for? An important point here, you want to partner with a company that is going to pay you commissions not just on the front end low cost products, but also on the back end higher price products. What you're looking for is a company that pays you commissions on everything the customer you referred ends up buying. Not all companies will do this, so it's important you look for an affiliate partner that will. The fourth factor is the actual marketing material supplied by the company you choose to partner with as an affiliate. Is the marketing material of good quality that will help you to sell their products, and do their sales funnels actually convert? And finally, is the company you're looking to partner with trustworthy, and do they have you and your customers' best interests at heart? If you make sure any company you're going to partner with as an affiliate has these 5 factors in place, then they're probably a safe bet. This will enable you to then focus on the one factor that you as an affiliate needs to do, and that is to drive traffic to your affiliate offers and let your affiliate partner take care of the rest. Now, there are many places to find affiliate partners, and certainly affiliate platforms such as ClickBank and JVZoo have hundreds of options. But please remember that choosing the right affiliate program really can make or break your chances of success. Now, if you look below this video in my description, you'll see a link which you can click on to register for a free online presentation where my mentor and partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal his highly successful affiliate marketing blueprint and how you can partner with him and promote all his products, from the front end lower price products through to his mid-ticket products right through to his higher price back-end products where you can make commissions of $1,000 plus. In my opinion, his company tick all the right boxes when it comes to looking for the right affiliate program. Now hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and register for the free online presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.